Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Midea U-shaped smart inverter air conditioner. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Imagine a summer where you can enjoy the perfect temperature in your home without the hassle of high energy bills or noisy disruptions. With the Midea U-shaped smart inverter air conditioner, that dream can become a reality. Designed with your comfort and convenience in mind, this innovative air conditioner brings a new standard of cooling to your living space. The unique U-shaped design allows your window to open and close, bringing in fresh air while maintaining a quiet and serene indoor environment. This design also ensures a seamless and secure installation. Take control of your comfort from anywhere with the Midea Air app. Whether you're at home or on the go, adjust the temperature, set schedules, and switch modes effortlessly using your smartphone or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Save up to 30% on energy cost compared to traditional air conditioners. Don't settle for less. Upgrade to the Midea U-shaped smart inverter air conditioner and experience the perfect blend of innovation, efficiency, and comfort. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.